to cancel the HBO Max subscription without losing access. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your HBO Max and make sure that you are logged into your account. You can use the app version or even the online dashboard on the website. You can use it, and then from there, like I said, make sure that you are logged into your account. After doing that, you can now simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner right here, and then you'll be able to get into your account. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll actually be able to see subscription, right? So all you need to do is tap on subscription, and then you can simply scroll down until you see the option of cancel your subscription. What you're going to do is simply tap on cancel your subscription, and then you can confirm cancellation. After successfully confirming your cancellation, your access will actually remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. So after your current billing cycle has ended, you won't actually have the access anymore. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.